Hey there, been screwing with this 63 unibody little short bed truck I bought. Getting it running, a little 292 Y block, getting way more of an education on a Y block than I've ever wanted in my life. The thing has whipped me up and down. Rocker shafts wear out in these things, really common problem. The crossover manifolds, terrible. End up buying a set of Thunderbird manifolds to dump the exhaust out the back and split, run them down normal. And put a new fuel pump on, brand new from Auto Parts, not any Amazon crap, one of our regular big chain auto parts. Craziest thing happened. Stopped pumping fuel for no reason. Look at the slack in this piece of junk. Brand new fuel pump, it pumps. It had skipped over, kicked itself off the eccentric that runs on the front of the cam to pump the fuel. Just decided, it was running last night, just decided to do that this morning. I mean, it's just nuts. Get up here. I pulled it out, the shaft was kicked way over. I said, well, heck, it just, poorly bent shaft. I didn't see any witness mark on top, but you got the witness mark on the side. I know I'm not going to be able to find a better one. These are all probably junk. I'm going to split a washer, probably measure the shaft, 1/4 inch washer, slide it in and weld it on one side so it'll hold the shaft over to one side so it'll engage the eccentric and pump fuel. But this, whenever your mechanic, you buy new parts, take them to your mechanic, just because they're new don't mean they're any good. They can be junk too. So keep that in mind. Just because it's new don't mean it's any good. It can be garbage too. Have a good one.